Hi there, I'm just here to walk you through how to do a plate sublimation with the HB 5-in-1 plate attachment. And today we're going to be using the 8-inch plates, so we're using the 8-inch plate attachment, which I've already got attached. Right, so first thing just to note, so this is the 8-inch plate. Now one thing you might notice is compared with the 10-inch attachment, as you can sort of see there, the actual sort of circumference of in the middle, it seems like it should fit the 10-inch, but if you do use the 10-inch on the 8-inch plate, it doesn't actually quite, the sides of the plate where the rim sort of goes up, it means that you actually end up with results more like this, which is something that I just tried earlier. So let me just peel that back. So there's our test, and I'll just get that in focus. So as you can see, it's all faded, just because around the rim it wasn't quite reaching it, so there wasn't enough pressure on the middle. So just to walk through with the 8-inch plates, right. So as I said, we've got the 8-inch one attached. We'll turn it on, and when you turn it on, to set the settings for you, so press OK once, we'll get P1, which is relating to the temperature. So you've got 180C that we've set it to. Press OK again just to confirm, and you'll get P2. This is the timer. Just use the up and down arrows to change anything. And again, just press OK to confirm, and it'll go back to heating up. The plate attachments heat up quite quickly. When it's heated up, you'll get an alarm just to sound when it's ready. So while you're waiting for it to heat up, you can get it all cut out for you. I'd recommend around the edges of the 8-inch plate, this sort of, if you go right up to the edge, you might get some fading. So you'll want to have it cut sort of, so it's well sort of within, probably sort of about half a millimetre or centimetre sort of inward. So it's not right on the edge of the actual plate, because otherwise you will get that failure. Okay, so as it's ready now, what I should have mentioned actually while it was just heating up is to adjust the pressure, use this back knob here in the back to adjust the pressure here. You'll need it quite sort of, I'll just start the timer and then stop it just so that's not beeping while I'm talking. Right, so just the pressure with this, and you kind of want it sort of fairly light. You want it obviously firm pressure so that it's enough to get the print looking good, and you're not any sort of like weird sort of fading on it, but you don't want it too much to risk sort of cracking the plate when you press it down. So relatively light, but just sort of just firm enough kind of thing. Right, so temperature's ready. So when you pull the clamp down, it will begin the timer. You can see it there. So lift it up, swing it out of the way, just to turn it off as well. Right. The rim of the plate is actually quite cold, but just using gloves just to be on the safe side. Right. I'll just get this in shot for you. There we go. I wouldn't recommend doing this myself. I'm just using scissors just to bring up the tape just a bit so I can just get a handle on it. So, I'm just going to So as you can see, it's done well. So I'm going to be using the time and temperature of 180 degrees for 180 seconds. Again, like I said, I recommend sort of staying just away, just from the edges of the, right to the edge of the plate attachment, just to avoid any sort of fading. So make sure you cut the design sort of well within the diameter of that. Okay, thank you.